Hi guys! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry for being irregular on YouTube. But this time I decided that I am going to make videos for you guys no matter what. So therefore I decided to do the series called DIY Sundays with Devanshi. So every Sunday I'll be posting a video about some or the other DIY. It can be related to fashion, lifestyle, beauty, makeup, art, craft, or anything and everything that inspires me. So I think it is going to be really exciting because I am super excited about it. And yes, so I thought why not do the series on YouTube, and that is why I'm here every Sunday. At least every Sunday I will try posting more videos, but for the start I am going to post one video every Sunday so that I can be consistent with YouTube. And apart from that, so I was always very skeptical about putting a DIY video because I don't know, I thought if you people will like it or not, but this time I have a really good feeling about it, and I thought why not do this on YouTube. So I've been posting a lot of my pictures of my crafts and DIYs on my Instagram, and so many of you guys loved it and wanted a tutorial for me. So therefore here I am, and this is the first episode of DIY Sundays with Devanshi, and today I am going to make some handmade paper out of used notebooks. So story time. So few days back I saw my brother throwing away his old notebooks, so I thought why not use these papers and use these notebooks to make something out of it. So I thought of making some handmade papers, and I think it is the best way to recycle whatever waste we have around. So yes, and this is going to be a very fun and exciting DIY, so even you can go and find your old notebooks and recycle them and make some pretty handmade papers. And I'm really excited about this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's get into the video. So I made couple of handmade paper using some haldi, and this is how it looks like. So this is how the papers had turned out to be. This one is using haldi, and I also made some using coffee, but it does not look like a coffee paper, but then it just gives it a very neutral color, not bad, like a grayish color. So I even like this one.
So all you need is an old used notebook. So here I'm using my brother's notebook, and a pair of scissors, an empty bowl like this, some water, some haldi, threads, a cotton cloth, a strainer, a hair dryer. So here I'm using my DIY hair dryer, and a mixer. So we'll start off by tearing some pages from the center. So I ended up tearing around 15 to 20 pages, I guess. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut these papers into strips and then small pieces. The smaller it is, the better it will be. And then pour some water and let it soak for some time, or you can also keep it for overnight. And I also went ahead and grinded my pulp into it so that it makes a smooth and pulpy mixture like this. So just make sure that you have got the consistency you've been looking for, and this is exactly what I wanted. And now I am taking my bowl and pouring some water like this, and then to add some color I am adding haldi. You can also go ahead with artificial colors, but I just wanted to make it organic, so I'm using a haldi here to give it yellow color. And also I'm adding some threads into it so that it makes a pretty mixture. And then just go ahead and add some pulp like that, and make sure to mix it really well like this. And the more you add the pulp, the better it will be, because the paper is going to be thick enough and it is not going to tear and then just dip your strainer like this and take it out like that. And just make sure to remove all the extras like I am doing in the video, and just strain all the water and just make sure that there's no water left, so it is easier for you to work. And then just take your cotton cloth like this, keep it in the center, and soak the water in the cloth like this by pressing. So by pressing, the pulp is going to stick together really nicely. So make sure you just make the pulp thick so that it doesn't stick to your cloth. And this is what I'm doing. And make sure to have fun, guys. This whole process takes some time and some patience, and until you get used to it, you are going to face a little bit problem. So just be patient and have fun, and that is what matters. So here you can see I'm just playing with the paper like that, and then very gently you open the cloth, and you can see how pretty the paper looks already. And you can see it looks like the water has been completely soaked. So I'm also going ahead and using some hair dryer to make the process work faster. And then I am using some cover roll to keep my papers in this like this. And oops, I just dropped the paper, but don't worry, you can just be gentle and get it into shape like this. So for another paper, I'm going ahead and adding some more pulp to it and just mixing it really well. And I also added some gold flakes, so just to give it a nice texture and shine to my paper, and I think it is going to look very pretty. So that is why I'm adding some gold flakes, and make sure to mix it really well. And now just repeat the process like I am doing, and have fun, guys. And be gentle, okay? Just don't worry, you will get the hang of it in 2-3 tries. And yes, the paper is ready. Just let it soak overnight and the paper will be completely dried and ready to use. Yay! I hope you guys have fun making this like I did. And this is what the paper looked like.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this DIY video, and I hope you will be waiting for my next video, because I am really excited to teach you different DIYs. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because it will really help me grow and motivate me to make more videos for you guys. So till then,